It's a good question. I waiting this question a lot from a Moroccan journalist, but it's good. It's from you. Look, in my country, it's like this. You need to accept when you are the coach of national team of Morocco. Every result you have a critics. Is true. I do my best for my country every time. Maybe I do a mistake sometimes because every coach he do a mistake in his life and is like this. Me, I'm stay focused with my team is what is important. I fight for my country and the critic every time. What I say to my player, I can't fight about this. What is important is what he do in the pitch. When he wins the game, he helped me a lot because when you have only 4 defeats in 3 years and a half and you make Morocco in semi-final in the World Cup and semi-final in the AFCON, normally nobody can speak, but in Morocco it's different. You win and you speak. It's like this. You need to accept and to work a lot and to accept this. And we hope the next coach, inshallah, in Morocco, he do more of what I do me.